Good morning. This is abcnews agtlive. You are listening to abcnews agtlive. Reading out newspaper headlines and news in detail. Northeast College, 7th March, Thursday. First page. A twist in state politics, Rahul to address a rally at Kumlung. In a significant twist-off event, the Congress has selected Kumlung headquarters of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council instead of state capital Agartala as venue for the rally to be addressed by party president Rahul Gandhi on March 20th. It clearly indicates an attempt to make inroads among the tribals of the state, which the party has begun with appointing Rail Sayan Pradut Vikram Kishore Debarman as Pradesh Congress president. NIA team arrives to interrogate JMB man. Arrested operative of Jamaat-ul-Mujahideen Bangladesh JMB, who hails from Murshidabad district of West Bengal on Wednesday, produced before the court of the CJM West Tripura and sent him to police custody for 12 days. On Wednesday evening, a special team of National Investigation Agency NIA has also arrived in the city to interrogate arrested JMB operative along with senior police and intelligence officials. Jamaat-ul-Mujahideen Bangladesh JMB militant Nazir Sheikh, age 25, who is an improvised explosive device IED trained expert, would be produced in the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate CJM again on March 18. Nazir Sheikh was arrested by Tripura police based on intelligence inputs from the under construction site in road number 6 of AD Nagar area of the city under Arundhati Nagar police station on Tuesday afternoon, and his arrest was declared by DGP AK Shukla through a news conference on Tuesday evening. The Raznat inaugurates BSF accommodation at ICP. Rafael documents stolen government to Supreme Court. The government on Wednesday told the Supreme Court that the documents related to the Rafael aircraft deal have been stolen from the Defense Ministry and threatened the Hindu newspaper with the Official Secrets Act for publishing articles based on them. Those who put documents on the Rafael deal in the public domain are guilty under the Official Secrets Act and contempt of court, Attorney General K.K. Venugopal said before a three-judge bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi. An investigation into theft is on, the Attorney General said on a day the newspaper published another article on the fighter jet deal. The bench, also including Justices S.K. Cole and K.M. Joseph, was hearing a batch of petitions seeking a review of its December 14th verdict, dismissing all the pleas against the deal procured by India from France. Former Union Ministers Yashwant Sena and Arun Shourie and Advocate Prashant Bhushan, who had jointly filed a petition, alleged that the centre suppressed crucial facts when the Apex Court decided to dismiss the batch of PILs against the Rafael deal in December. When Bhushan referred to an article written by senior journalist N. Ram in the Hindu, Venugopal said the write-ups were based on stolen documents. CM inaugurates series of new initiatives. Pradut shares dyers with Rajakawa to oppose CAB. Pradesh Congress President Pradut Vikram Kishore Debarman today shared dyers with former ULFA leader Arvind Rajakawa at Kumlung along with leaders of various tribal-based political parties to protest against the proposed Citizenship Amendment Bill and to unite indigenous people. A presence of the PCC president in the dais raised question, as many say it is contradictory. Pradot also was aware about it and tried to clarify his stand, and also accused the BJP for trying to buy him. BJP poll Praveri Avinash Rai Gana confident of victory. CBS exams peaceful. Enough evidence to prosecute PM Modi, Rahul. Congress President Rahul Gandhi on Wednesday called for filing an FIR against Prime Minister Narendra Modi and saying there was enough evidence to prosecute him in the Rafale scam. The trail of corruption begins and ends with him, tweeted Gandhi. Quote unquote, there is now enough evidence to prosecute the Prime Minister in the Rafale scam, he said. The Gandhi also alleged cover-up after the Modi government told the Supreme Court that privileged documents related to Rafale deal appearing in the media were stolen from Defense Ministry. Quote unquote, that crucial Rafale files incriminating him are now reported stolen by the government is destruction of evidence and an obvious cover-up, he said, adding, file, quote unquote, FIR against corrupt Modi. Citing a report of the Indian negotiation team INT, the Congress alleged Modi enriched Rafale maker Dassault Aviation at the cost of Indian exchequer by waiving the bank guarantee and claimed that the price of the jets under the New Deal was far higher than the negotiated during the previous UPA regime. Besides accusing Prime Minister Narendra Modi of enriching Dassault Aviation at the cost of Indian exchequer by waiving bank guarantee in the Rafale deal, the Congress today said he should be investigated under Prevention of Corruption Act and IPC. Notice colors third page. No infrastructure in school at Komteriai. Development work suffers due to fund crunch in blocks. Sandoval warns against delay in Majuli protection project. Lok Sabha poll not to be cakewalk for Sushmita. Niti Dev to speak on Women's Day. Our aim is 300 Lok Sabha seats at Ram Madhav. Biotech club in colleges to promote green technology. DRW contingent workers not to be regularized. FIR against the 4 for alleged dowry death. Notice colors 5th page. Meghalaya to improve the syllabus on human rights. Arunachal CM announces judicial probe into violence over PRC issue. Notice colors 6th page. Rising Nation. Jaish-e-Mohammed doesn't exist in Pakistan, military spokesperson. Israel's fastest spacecraft to moon sends a selfie. North Korea reveals a part of missile site it promised Trump to dismantle. White farmers jailed for the murder of a black teen in South Africa. California confirms no charges for police who killed an unarmed man. Indian origin woman dentist killed in Australia, a body found in a suitcase. Notice colors 7th page. National. Images show madrasa building still standing at a Balakhout site. Mehbooba leads protest against arrest of Jamaat members. Prime Minister Modi unveils a series of infrastructure projects in Tamil Nadu. AAP launches campaign Song for Demand a full statehood to Delhi. India-Pak exchange heavy fire on LOC. Chadar offered at Ajmer Shrine on the behalf of Modi. Innocent now persona non grata for CPM committee. Mortal remains of Mathura Baroma reach Thakur Nagar. Mamta announces state funeral on demise of Binapani Devi. 150 years of Mahatma Gandhi theme for India Pavilion at Venice Biennial. Rahul Sonia meet G20 envoys. Ayodhya Temple dispute Supreme Court reserves order on mediation in case. Notice Colors 8th page. Colors innings made the difference as Pat Cummins. Desperate India aim to end a 5-match losing streak in T20s. Sindhu knocked out of All England Championship. ISL notice must defy odds in first semi-final show. World Cup is still a long way off, says Shankar on his selection chances. Real Madrid's European reign ends with shock loss to Ajax. Dear and respected viewers, audience, if you believe that these newspaper headlines and news in detail are preferable, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and of course press the bell icon and stay connected with ABC News agtlive. Thank you all for being with us. Have a good day ahead. Namaskar. Bye. Kalumka.